It was a dark and stormy night. No, too cliché. Once upon a time... Yes, much better. Once upon a time, there were two heroes who were walking in a forest, yes. All of a sudden, a call to adventure. Oh no, I have terrible news! Our prince has been captured. The duo took action as fast as they could. Oh no! Enemies! Our heroes need a weapon. How about swords? No, swords have been done. Ooh! They could wield nunchucks. Nunchucks rule. Nunchucks don't really fit, do they? Oh, bows are cooler. We need new enemies. How about the birds? Pew pew! So cool. There is a bridge that must be crossed. But a Cyclops is guarding it. Halt thee! You must solve my riddles 3. First, what is brown and sticky? Yes, a stick! I do agree. A second riddle. What will it be? How many jumps you jumped is key. Correct! I can't believe you jumped that many! For my final riddle, please tell me, what color is my favorite? E. You're right! It's plain to see. The answer is blue, just like me. Thus, continue on your heroic journey. No, this is all too boring. Okay, let's try again. Okay, no idea. Do we really need 2 heroes? What if, what if instead there was a noble steed? Yes! One of them could be a horse! Yes, brilliant. Okay, a good story needs a misty mountain. No horse. Horses can't climb. Watch out! A boulder! Boom! Ouch! That looked like it hurt. Oh dear, the mountain has become far too steep for our heroes to climb. Surely the goats of the mountain will lend a hoof. Gotta go fast. Eventually, our heroes reach the mountain summit. Yay! A dark cave is revealed. Our heroes enter the cave. Spikes! Ouch! We reach the bottom of the cave. Everything goes dark. Darkness. Very scary. The cave is a very dangerous place, filled with bats. Our heroes may need bows after all. What is that? A mighty gate! Help me! Help me! The prince is tied up. But, something has captured the prince. A demon, a crab, or a duck. Yes! A giant enemy demon appears! Roar! Stop! A demon? Super lame. Maybe something else. Of course, a giant enemy crab appears. Snip, snip, snip. Glorious! I knew I could count on you. two heroes, now champions, set sail and took the prince back home. The end.